now heart attack can occur because of 10 or 12 reasons, and usually it occurs because of certain preventable factors, and there are certain factors which are not preventable, like age. If there is a genetic cause, if you inherit bad genes, then these are certain causes of heart attack. But the common causes of heart attack which can be prevented are smoking. If you avoid smoking, you can prevent heart attacks. Diabetes, people with blood pressure, and people with sedentary lifestyle, if they do not exercise, if they do not have a healthy lifestyle, if they do not eat healthy food, are the patients who are prone to develop heart attacks. So these all can be avoided and prevented by having a healthy lifestyle with regular diet, exercise, meditation, and avoid smoking and the consumption of tobacco.